Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to Forging Ahead with Headlam. So it's a beautiful sunny day, however, bit of rain outside, and what perfect time to do my vlog because I am stuck in my car and I can't go anywhere. So why not just do the vlog now, you know? Anyway, so you like my glasses? Yeah, you like it? Haute couture, yeah. Listen man, so me thinks of me at now, you know. I collected my glasses and I went to work yesterday, right? And I said to my coworker, can me think of me at girl now, you know. So I said, you like my glasses? You like my glasses? Oh, cause me I feel it, you know. Me I feel my glasses. So she's like, so I said, from Miss your facial expression, I was like, you don't like my glasses? You don't like my glasses? She was like, you look like chicken liquor. She got chicken liquor, me look like chicken little. Listen, lady, I don't look like the chicken little. Say, listen to me, man. So when she said chicken little, I was like, I don't even remember how that character they look. So I Google it, chicken little, right? And lo and behold, chicken little have green glasses too. Listen, look at me. And look at chicken little now. You think I look like chicken little? Listen, if I look like chicken little, put it in the comments below that I look like chicken little. Or if I don't look like chicken little, let me know if I don't look like chicken little, right? So anyways, I thought these glasses was so cute. I went to the optician and I searched for months for glasses. Couldn't find anything. So I went to another optician. I just went to search for glasses. And I saw this nice, almost like, what was it? Pinkish, purplish, I don't know what you call it, but the color was really nice. And I was about to pay for the glasses. And when I looked over, I saw this one. I was like, no, that bougie bad. I love it. Anyway, so I said to them, all right, I don't want this one anymore. But in my mind, when I was looking at that one too, you know, I never really too like it because I was saying that it looked like, you know, Angry Birds, the character out of Angry Birds. I'm going to show it to you. Look at the glasses now. And look at Angry Birds and tell me if it don't look like Angry Birds. Yeah, so if you feel like it looks like Angry Bird, comment in the comment section below and tell me if it looks like Angry Birds, right? So when she tell me say me look like chicken little now, I said no, hold on there, is a foul affair. Look like me there go for a foul look or a bird look, right? So you lady, my viewers are gonna tell me if I look like chicken little, right? Good. Now, so this week I have Shen, stop. Listen, how could you forget to tell the people about Safi maintenance? If you want your sofa clean, just a WhatsApp message to 447-1234. Look in the description box below for the number. Also, if you want pimento powder, you can send a message to the same number at Safi Maintenance and you will get your pimento powder. Christmas is coming. I'm sure your sofa is dirty. When last did you clean your sofa? All the dirt, all the dust mites, all the muck. Listen, clean your sofa, clean your carpets, right? Safi Maintenance is here to do all of that for you. And if you decide that you're going to wipe it out, you're going to try and do your own thing, it's still not going to be clean. I can guarantee you. I'll get back to the regular programming. Bye. Safi Maintenance. Check out the number below. All right. Send your WhatsApp messages. Websites for you that you can go to look for online jobs, because I realize even though my focus is on entrepreneurship, not everyone is looking to go in that direction, and I'm here to cater to your needs, if your financial needs, right? So if you're looking at a job, you know, you can't manage the entrepreneurship part because it's very hard to be an entrepreneur, especially if you don't have a 9-to-5 job. You don't have something to supplement, right? So I'm here to assist with that as well. But before I do tell you about the websites, I am asking you kindly to please like, share, subscribe. Do me a beg, please subscribe, because I know that my videos add value. I'm not chat nobody, I'm not talk no foolishness. I'm giving valuable information, and I know that someone can benefit from what I am saying. So even if this is not something that floats your boat, you can tell your friends, your family, your co-workers, whoever it is, somebody that you know needs a job, somebody that you know probably wants to make some extra income, right? So the first one I have for you is gotranscript.com. So gotranscript.com has audio transcription services, and they take audio and video files and convert them into text. So you will listen to audio and type it. And so, you know, when you watch movies and you see the closed captioning, then most of the times you have people who actually type out what is being said in the movies, and this is a company that facilitates that kind of service. So in essence, the transcriber, which would be you would convert the audio, what you hear, to text so people can read. So you know that many times people who probably hearing impaired, you know, they have to read caption on the movies. So that is why this service is necessary. The company says that they pay on Fridays, and if you have a PayPal or a Payoneer account, you can get paid through those accounts. And they say payment is ranges from 0.77 cents US, that is, per minute, to $8.50 per minute. And the jobs are available worldwide. They also say that you can earn up to $1,215 US per month. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. So you can check them out, you know. Let me know if you check them out and what the results are when you do so. So the second website is Liveops. No, Liveops, they hire independent contractors. I'm just gonna read something from their website. They say they give companies access to an on-demand network of experienced agents, which would be you, ready to provide virtual contact center customer service solutions, right? So they have the virtual flex agent service for more than 20 years. That's a good length of time to be in business, you know, especially virtually. So it sounds like a reasonable company that it has experience based on what you can see here. 20 years is a long time, right? So they say that there are contact center which operates at a high level, or a higher level than most contact centers, right? That's what they say, but you have to do your research to find out if that is true. What they say is that their average salary per year is US $21,000 for virtual assistance, right? And as much as $181,000 US for a software engineer or manager. So the average hourly rate is about $10 per hour for what they call secret agents. About $30 per hour for receptionists or administrative assistants. And the people who are working in the Liveops operation center, they work about US $15 per hour. Sounds pretty good. You can check them out and see if it works for you. The third one is apple.com. So not you know that Apple has devices and so on, that, you know, like the phones, laptops and so on, but they also have jobs for people who would like to work remotely. And it doesn't have to be a technical job. So they have advisor jobs and customer service jobs. So you can just check out their website and see what they have to offer and what would suit your needs. The fourth one is Sitel.com. And remember, even though I'm telling you all of this, just check the description below. You will see everything below, right? So Sitel.com, they say that they're a work from home opportunity company. So on their website, they say that their work from home opportunities offer a flexible work-life balance and allow you to earn income while saving money. Yeah, you save money. If you work from home, you must save money, because you know, spend money on bus fare or gas, or, you know, just the daily commute, the stress on your body of going out. So it allows you to gain while actually saving. So Sitel says that they're a global leader in customer service management. So you can deliver exceptional experiences. So this one, now you can work either full-time or part-time, right? So they say they have a BYOC policy, which means bring your own computer. So they don't provide the laptop to you for you. You will have to provide your own laptop. So the positions that they have available are healthcare customer service reps, seasonal customer service reps, banking customer service reps, insurance customer service reps. So if you get the gist, most of these jobs are customer service related jobs. But nothing wrong with that, you know. You're getting your money, and you're actually helping someone when they call. Because when we call, so for example, we call a bank, most of the times these are BPO centers that the calls are transferred to. So it's the same type of job, you understand? And the fact that you get a salary, amazing, right? So check out Sitel. All right, so the fifth one is Asurion, Asurion, right? As I said, the description box, just check it out, right? So they say they're the world's largest tech care solutions company. They work with 350 million customers worldwide, and they have technology protection for their clients, where they also offer repair services and customer support. So they repair and replace damaged devices and home appliances, and they need people to work in their centers, in their call centers, right? So they need senior managers, HR, technology, and most of these are remote. And if you're in the US, even better, because some of these jobs are really geared towards people who are living in the United States of America. So they have desktop support analyst, marketing manager, security engineer, software engineer, HR strategic pricing, HR business partner, customer care, sales representatives, right? The next one is Primer.io. And Primer is founded by PayPal, the same people who found PayPal. So it's actually former employees of PayPal. They went out, formed their own company and called it Primer. Basically, it says on their website that Primer is founded by PayPal employees who have helped the world's largest companies integrate and manage payment globally, included but not limited to Uber, Airbnb, Spotify, and many others. So it is a digital financial service company, and the platform enables e-commerce merchants to process payments. So for example, you make a payment through Amazon, they are the ones that facilitate that payment, so Amazon can get their money, or whatever payment, how the transaction may go, they make sure it happens, right? So they need people to work as well. So I can tell you two job opportunities that I saw on their website, which is one is finance administrator, and this is fully remote, and the other one is VP of Marketing, and this is fully remote. But you can also check out their website to see when they will be posting jobs and if there are other jobs available, because by the time I did my research and the time I'm delivering this to you, other jobs could be available. So check out primer.io. This one is Accenture, and they specialize in information technology services and consulting. So they are also a Fortune 500 company, and they have positions available in business analyst, available for business analyst, data management, project management. So check them out and see if any of these jobs would suit you. And the last one is Remote Hub, and it's a job marketplace community that connects and matches companies with remote professionals. You can post a job or find a job on this website, and you can showcase your curriculum vitae, or what they would call your portfolio. So you advertise yourself or your services on the platform, and you will have people who will see it and engage you for jobs. So you can get hired in IT, marketing and sales, engineering, customer service, business and consulting, writing and translation, design as well. So I hope this was helpful for those persons who are looking. You probably need a new job, you probably need a side job, you probably need something to just supplement your 9 to 5, or you're probably a business owner who just need something extra to supplement what you do, you know, on your while you're running your business. But it's always good to have more than one job. So remember, please like, share, subscribe, right? Because I know that I'm offering value, and I would love if you could tell your family and your friends about it, so at least they can benefit as well from what I have to offer, right? And soon, and very soon, I'll be doing other giveaways. I did one recently and I had no winners, like no winners at all. So I at least want some more subscribers, so when I'm going to do my giveaways, people will benefit from it. And remember, comment below, tell me if I look like Chicken Little. Me look like Chicken Little? Do I look like Chicken Little? So comment below, let me know what you think. Do you like my new glasses? Are they bougie? Yeah. Remember, with God, all things, not some things, you know, all things are possible. See you next time. Bye.